Die Cutting Essentials number 48 is the issue, is brand new from our friends at Practical Publishing, and here is the magazine, but I know you are anxious to see what else do we get. Well, this time there are several cutting dies. You can see the teapot, and you've got the word party, as well as some tea bags and a leaf. Now, not sure what to do with it? Well, that's wonderful because the magazine will show you. And let me flip this open. And what I thought was really amazing, we're going to get a little bit closer so you can see, is that that cutting die has different elements in it. Okay, so there's butterflies in it, there's flowers in it, there are some cupcakes, and there is a pennant and the word tea. I think that's pretty ingenious. Whoever dreamed this up is brilliant. And what's nice about that is you can use it as a teapot, but you can die cut it more times out of other papers perhaps and pick out these different elements and use them. So let's see what else you can do with it. So time for a cuppa, as they say in England, and you can see that. And just really fun to see those different elements used so nicely. And I thought that was quite clever to use all of them. So you can see they're not very large. This die is a little over 3 inches wide. Actually, it may even be, yep, it's 4 inches wide. So each of those is going to be a smaller, obviously, but you can use them so well. And I think this really makes a really nice kind of a quilt block card that you can use. And what I like about their magazines is that they give you so many ideas. This is doing shadow box cards, and it will give you ideas of how to do them. And while you may or may not have these specific elements, you can certainly use it as something to put in your card making toolbox. I like to think about that. Then here are some other ideas using your cutting die with some different ways of using them, making them into tags, making it into a card itself. How about a gatefold card? Works really nicely. And there's some other techniques in here, washi tape. You'll see just lots and lots of other things that you can use. Always so much fun to see. And this is doing a never-ending card. Now, those of you who are fans of Teresa Welch's DVDs with all the card making, the 100 cards every year, this was one that we did, but you're also going to get some information in here. So as I said, you're going to get lots and lots of ideas. Well, you do that with every single Practical Publishing magazine, and this one is a very special treat. And I'm delighted to tell you that these are exclusive with paperwishes.com.